Just as bright as a 20-watt light bulb. Should've pumped it when I rocked it. Nigga so stingy.
I got coffee from the gas station next to that food truck because the food truck didn't have coffee. But look at this coffee cup. It's got the, I don't know what to call it. Doweled, like, edge. It's pretty cool. Expensive coffee cups. My first Halloween van dwelling, realized that giving out candy to kids is pretty cool. Normally, when you live in a van, it's not so cool. And you know what? That's pretty cool with me. So, it works.
win when they see the Disney inflatable spin in the yard. Right now, the Home Depot has store-wide savings on everything you need to give the perfect gifts and get the best reactions this year. And that's music to everyone's ears. Make the holidays yours with gifts from the Home Depot. How doers get more done.
creature!
And how about this little cute?
I must subdue it with my bare hands!
Escaping the underworld, Hercules! See you! Never! Sculptor Harris.
Cerberus! Watch his hands! Multiply minds!
Trying to make it to these port potties so I don't have to poop my pants. If you're ever in front of a 7-Eleven, you see a pimp getting money from his hoe, you look over at them and they look over at you, don't keep looking at them. Alright, I got a coffee, found a parking space. I'm in like a suburban area on the side of the street. Got my notebook out. I said I was going to do some NFT research and see, you know, if NFTs, they seem like something worth investing some time learning about. You know, just learn about them a little bit. I'm excited. I watched some videos, added some videos to my watch list, added some articles to my reading list. I'm ready to go. I already got direction. I'll start watching stuff, start reading stuff. I won't even, sometimes, like one video I started watching this morning was by Gary Vee. It was maybe like 45 minutes long. It was like a podcast. It wasn't much of it wasn't like a boom, boom, bam kind of video. It was just kind of spoon-fed information that you could really learn from, depending on, it all depends on how you're feeling. It was more of a laid-back kind of video. You know, they were talking about some stuff, talking about his career a little bit. So it wasn't, I got some stuff out of it, but I got a gauge of what kind of a video it was, and it wasn't really, I was looking for something that was more technical and more, you know, deeper into NFTs than that video. So I watched it for like 10 minutes and then I went to the next one and then I started reading a couple articles, and I'll kind of jump around and navigate my way to where I think, you know, my time is more valuable. And I'm already got my nose pointed in a direction and I got excited already. I'm not going to talk about the NFT I'm looking at or anything because I looked at like 2 articles and watched like a couple videos. But it seems like they have so much potential and opportunity to infiltrate so many industries, so many different ways. And it's cool. It's exciting. So that's how I'm going to spend at least half my day, if not most of my day, just learning about NFTs and maybe making a purchase, we'll see. Maybe transferring, buying some Ethereum, and if I pronounce that correctly, and making a purchase on overseas or something. We'll see. Who knows? But it's a great way to make passive income with a lot of potential. And some of these projects are, potential, decade-long projects. I like to learn about. Just transferred a good amount of money from my Uphold account to my Uphold Ethereum. That's how you pronounce it. I don't know what I was saying before. Ethereum. Transferred my Ethereum from Uphold to my MetaMask wallet, and MetaMask is freaking me out because there's like very few identification things linked to your account. So between my laptop, when I log into my laptop and my phone, all you see is an account ID, and it's a really long, hard to see ID. It's not like a easily identifiable list of digits. And that's really the only thing linked to your MetaMask wallet, other than your password and your phrase, your secret phrase. Which the password I had to make a new one as soon as I logged in to my account on my my MacBook Air. So like right off the bat, I made a password, I updated it, and the password is one of 3 identifiable things linked to my account. So it's like you transfer the money and now I gotta wait for it, and it's pretty nerve-wracking for sure. It's definitely nerve-wracking. Wish I transferred a smaller amount at first, but I'm ready to make my first NFT purchases.